AC Guy 1948 here, and do a cold start of the George Workbird. I haven't had it running yet. I put some gas in the tank, but I don't think the fuel pump's working quite right. It looks like it's getting a little moisture up top, but it's not doing anything. I put a new coil on it, cleaned the points. Now I'm going to throw a little gas down the carb there. That'll be enough. Turn the ignition on, and it has a push button starter. Alright, it'll run. Still not getting any fuel up to it though. I might need to replace that fuel pump. But that's a good now put a little more fuel in her. Hoping maybe this will just prime that fuel pump, but I don't think so. Alright, try it again. Come on. Huh. It looks like it's trying to pull something through, but I don't think it's pulling enough. Alright, I'm going to call that good. It runs, so that's the main thing. I just want to make sure it's fire. I've got an extra fuel pump. I'm going to see if it'll fit on here and if it's any good. Maybe do another video where this thing's running around. Depends on how well these tires want to hold air. But one of the headlights works on it, surprisingly. Most motors I get, they don't want to work. But, yep. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Well, there's no key on this. It's just on, off, and push button start. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.